This unboxing is going to be, I entered a contest on one of my favorite creators, and I won. So I covered our addresses with black duct tape so they wouldn't be seen. And we're gonna open the package. Let's see what's inside. Gotta be careful. I don't want to wreck anything in there. It feels like something's there. Okay, we'll go on top. Diamond painting. There. Oh, look at, it's her favorite little trucks. She likes her trucks, and that's awesome. Every time I see a red truck now, I think of her. Okay, what else do we got? Oh, pretty pink. Aww, look at this. It's so cute, so cute, so cute, so cute. Oh, good magnet, won't come off. Oh, nice, nice and strong. Ah. Isn't that cute? And it'll hold the plastic back. Yes, very nice. Okay, put that over there. I think I'll keep the bubble wrap because that is Christmas. Okay. Okie dokie. Package empty. This is awesome. It looks like it's a 30 by 30. Oh, what is it? No picture, so we're gonna have to open it up to take a look. Ooh, that's really close to the end of the plastic there. There we go. Let's see. Oh, the plastic covers right over the ends. What is this? Okay, it's a bus, van. You know those old type bands? So this is Jingle All the Way. Cool, it's cute. I've never done one this size before. It'll be a lot of fun. I'm thinking it'll be a lot of fun. So there's 16 colors, which is pretty cool. Nice. I think I'll have a lot of fun with this. Cool. Lots of places to use my 4-placer on. Thank you so much. If you can see me right now, I got a big smile on my face. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Bye-bye. Hi, I'm back for a quick second. I realized I forgot to show you the drill field at, to see how clear it is here. So if I can get it to focus. No, I can't. It is actually much clearer than it's showing up for these numbers. But you can see in the V's up here, and all the, that it's clear, and the 8s and the Y's, and yeah. I think this is going to be fun, a nice relaxing one. No pressure on because it's a present kind of thing. Just for the total experience, and that's it. Thank you so much for sending this to me. Thank you, and thank you. I don't know what to say. I'm just very happy that I don't usually win things, and well, I don't usually enter contests. So, yeah. I'm just so excited. I gotta start this. Thank you. Bye-bye. Okay, I don't know where my brain is. It's gone bye-bye. So, I forgot something else, so I'm back again. Drills. I forgot to look at the drills. I was just so excited about getting this. My brain was just not working. Okay, so it's one of these strips. So we know the drills are going to be decent. So I just want to show you the colors. So we got white, cream color. Let me adjust the light here. There we go. Okay, so we got a white, black, peach, brown, chocolate brown, Christmas green, Christmas red, beautiful burgundy. Ooh, I'd love a nail polish in that color. Okay, beige, more greens. Oh, this is a nice red too, not as bright. Green. This kind of beige color. Another dark color. And this pink. Rose color. Yeah. So there you go. There's the drills.